So hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will resume discussing 2020 most important current affairs series, and this is part 2 of this series. Hope you will enjoy it. So let's start. But before that, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. So here is your first question. Researchers from which institutes have developed materials that can produce energy from water? So answer for this question will be option number C, IIT Guwahati. So researchers from IIT Guwahati have developed materials that can produce energy from water on small scale basis. Where did Gujarat CM Vijay Rupani unveil the second tallest statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? So Gujarat CM Vijay Rupani unveiled the second tallest statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in the city of Ahmedabad. It's a 50 feet tall statue. Let's move on to the next question. In which state Atal Kisan Mazdoor canteens launched? So Atal Kisan Mazdoor canteens launched in the state of Haryana by CM Manohar Lal Khattar. So answer for this question will be option number C. Let's move on to the next question. So Umaro Sissoco Embalo has been elected as the president of which country? So former Guinea-Bissau PM Umaro Sissoco Embalo has been elected president. So correct answer for this question will be option number B, Guinea-Bissau. Let's move on to the next question. By which year India aims to increase the share of non-fossil fuels to 175 gigawatts? So the government aims to increase the share of non-fossil fuels to 175 gigawatt by 2022 and further take it to 450 gigawatt. So correct answer for this question will be option number A, 2022. Let's move on to the next question. Who has been appointed as the first chairman of National Medical Commission? So correct option for this answer will be option number C, Suresh Chandra Sharma. Suresh Chandra Sharma has been appointed as the first chairman of National Medical Commission. Let's move on to the next question. World Health Organization designated 2020 as which year? So World Health Organization designated 2020 as the year of nurses and midwives. So correct answer for this question will be option number C, year of nurses and midwife. Let's move on to the next question. When is World Braille Day celebrated? So the World Braille Day is celebrated on 4th January every year on the birth anniversary of Louis Braille, the inventor of Braille. India has extended a line of credit $75 million to which country for financing solar parks? So India has extended a line of credit $75 million to Cuba for financing solar parks. So answer for this question will be option number C. Next, where was the Women's Science Congress inaugurated? So the Women's Science Congress was inaugurated in the city of Bengaluru. So answer for this question will be option number C. And Dr. Tessie Thomas, who is known as the Missile Woman of India, graced the occasion as the chief guest. So who won the men's 10 meters air pistol gold at 63rd National Shooting Championship in Bhopal? So Saurabh Chaudhary, option number C will be the correct answer. So Saurabh Chaudhary won the men's 10 meters air pistol gold at the 63rd National Shooting Championship held in Bhopal. Next question. T.N. Chaturvedi passed away, who was former governor of Karnataka, awarded the Padma Vibhushan in which year? So former governor of Karnataka T.N. Chaturvedi, who passed away recently in January 2020, awarded the Padma Vibhushan in the year of 1991. Option number B. He had also served as the CAG, Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Next question. So, how many massive black holes were found as per the study published in the Astrophysical Journal? So, the study published in the Astrophysical Journal found 13 massive black holes, about 4 lakh times as heavy as Sun. So correct answer for this question will be option number C, 13. Which of these following cities is hosting the global meet on marine ecosystem, which is shortly known as MECOS 3? So, Kochi hosted the global meet on the marine ecosystem, MECOS 3. So, answer for this question will be option number A, Kochi. Which of the following will observe 2020 as the year of mobility? So, Central Industrial Security Force, CISF, observed 2020 as the year of mobility for the welfare of troops. Next question. Which team won the 5th IHI National Ice Hockey Championship 2020 in both boys and girls categories? So Ladakh won the 5th IHI Ice Hockey Association of India National Ice Hockey Championship 2020 in both boys and girls categories. Next. Where was the 4th edition of Buxa Bard Festival started? So the 4th edition of Buxa Bard Festival started in the West Bengal in Buxa National Park. Option number B will be correct answer here. Next, where did Indian Navy's first Mahanavi Connect 2020 tri-dimensional expedition start? So, Indian Navy started first Mahanavi Connect 2020 tri-dimensional expedition from Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next question. When is Pravasi Bharatiya Divas celebrated? So Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is celebrated on 9th January every year to commemorate the return of Mahatma Gandhi from South Africa to India on 9 January 1915. So answer for this question will be option number C. Let's move on to the next question. Who received UK Children's Book Award for her debut novel Asa and the Spirit Bird? So, Jasbinder Vilan. Option number A will be correct answer here. So, Jasbinder Vilan bagged the UK Children's Book Award for her debut novel Asa and the Spirit Bird. When is World Hindi Day celebrated? So, World Hindi Day is celebrated on January 10th every year. The main motto behind celebrating this day is to promote the Hindi language all around the world. So correct answer for this question will be option number B, 10th January. Next question. What is the rank of Indian passport as per the Henley Passport Index 2020? So Indian passport ranks at number 84 in Henley Passport Index 2020. So correct option for this question will be option number B, 84. Next question. Famous chariot festival of Suchindram Thanumalayan temple held in which state? So, famous chariot festival of Suchindram Thanumalayan temple held in the state of Tamil Nadu. So, correct option for this question will be option number C, Tamil Nadu. Next question. So, South Asian Trade Travel 2020 organized in which city? So, South Asian Trade Travel 2020 organized in New Delhi. So correct option for this question will be option number A, New Delhi. Next question. In how many languages Census India 2021 will be carried out? So Census India 2021 will be carried out in 16 languages. So this video ends here. Thanks for watching and keep supporting me. Please subscribe this channel and share this video as much as possible. Thank you.